Hey, this is Faizan and welcome back to my channel Big by Faizan. So today we're gonna make classic chocolate brownie. To make classic chocolate brownie we need 100 grams of dark chocolate 55%. I'm adding butter into it which is 70 grams and I'm gonna melt them together. Take a clean mixing bowl. I'm adding 2 eggs into it. Always use eggs at room temperature. Now here I am adding 100 grams of sugar. Here I am using regular granular sugar in this recipe. Now start beating it with electric mixer. You have to beat it until sugar dissolves completely and your eggs and sugar becomes light. Or say beat it for 2 to 3 minutes. If you're ready with all the ingredients on the table, then it's gonna take 30 minutes including baking time to make this brownie. I remember I happened to make brownies for 3000 packs in hotel. And that was amazing when you're making brownies entire day. I was started smelling like chocolate, literally like chocolate. Now it seems done. I'm gonna add melted chocolate and butter into this beaten eggs and sugar. I have melted the chocolate first, so chocolate and butter will get cold while I'm mixing the eggs and sugar. Here I'm adding vanilla essence, half cup is enough. Mix the melted chocolate and butter with the eggs and sugar. Mix it until well incorporated. It is done. Now I am adding flour which is 100 grams, 10 grams of cocoa powder and half teaspoon or 2 grams of baking powder. Mix it again very well. You also can use a rubber spatula to mix the batter after adding the flour and all the dry ingredients. I am using my hand beater because it is quick. Clean the sides of the bowl, mix it well, and here your brownie batter is ready. This brownie gonna be so amazing and just delicious. Our brownie batter is done here. To bake the brownies, here I have lined my square tin or rectangle tin with the butter paper. Spread it evenly using your rubber spatula or palette knife. Both will do. Now bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And here your classic chocolate brownie is ready.